Hi family, today we are making coconut almond scotch bonnet chicken. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell for all my upcoming videos. Tell all your friends about Eat Good TV. Here are the ingredients we need. We need our scotch bonnet pepper. We need the original scotch bonnet pepper, hot and spicy scotch bonnet pepper, green scotch bonnet pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and all-purpose seasoning. And the chicken is the star of the show, and I'm going to use some coconut milk. So you place your coconut milk in the bowl, and then we are going to add a teaspoon of the original scotch bonnet pepper, a teaspoon of the spicy, sweet and spicy scotch bonnet, and a teaspoon of the green scotch bonnet. We're making like a brine to brine the chicken. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and any salt, this is sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. And we are going to just add the same to the chicken for extra flavor. So you just repeat the process for extra flavor. And we're going to leave this overnight. You can do it for 2 hours, but this is Saturday, so I'm going to leave it overnight because I need it for Sunday dinner. And this is just a tablespoon. And you just rub it everything together. And you just mix the milk. So this is the brine for the chicken. That's the coconut milk with all that seasoning in it. All that goodies. So you're just going to place the chicken in it. You can just do it in 2 hours, but overnight is best. So I'm just going to leave this Saturday. So I'm going to leave it. Tomorrow is Sunday, so it's Sunday dinner. And just put a file paper, not a file paper, a cling wrap. Just put a cling wrap and just leave it overnight to soak. Our chicken went in the fridge and it marinated overnight. So I'm just gonna move the saran wrap. Wow, this looks great. I'm just gonna remove the saran wrap. Remove the saran wrap from the chicken, and I'm going to add 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of flour, and a 1/2 cup of coconut flakes. There's the coconut flakes. That's the 1/2 cup of coconut flakes. And a 1/2 cup of almond flakes. Almond flakes. Just crumble it inside of the flour. 1 tablespoon of the all-purpose to the flour mixture, and just mix everything together. This make for a nice crispy coating. A nice crispy coating of the chicken. I'm gonna place the chicken in here and just coat it nicely. This is how the chicken looks, so we are gonna fry up our chicken now. Smelling up the place, smelling up the place. This is so good. It's gonna be nice and crispy with the almond and the coconut flakes on it. With the almond and the coconut flakes and the Scotch bonnet peppers. Oh, this is gonna be a great one. Great recipe.